warm-blooded animals, so-called endorsum. That is, those maintain constant body temperature independent of the environment. The endosomals primarily include birds, mammals. However, some fish are also endosmic. Heat loss exceeds the heat generation. Metabolism increases to make up the loss, or the animal shivers to raise its body temperature. If heat generation exceeds the heat loss, mechanisms such as panting or interesting thing. That is, we are different dinosaur and happen and temperature extremely decreased, so huge ones disappear immediately. On contrary, this test and how to survive in the world, environmental change, in unforeseen. So, after screening by the nature, warm bloods, creatures, and blooming and blooming. That is natural choice. Warm-blooded animals, so-called endorsum. That is, those maintain constant body temperature independent of the environment. The endosomals primarily include birds, mammals.